अरे यार मैं कितनी बार बोलता हूँ ये नहीं करना चाहिए, वो नहीं करना चाहिए, एक और कैफे बंद हो गया। अगर ये लोग सुनने लग जाए तो हमारी इंडस्ट्री कहाँ से कहाँ पहुँच जाए।
बनाते हैं फिर पॉडकास्ट, कैमरे बोलो ये सब, तब तो बात है।
इसमें क्या है, 2 मिनट लगने हैं, ऐसे ही बोल देंगे।
कल आ जाओ मैं टीम लेके फिर।
गारंटी 100%।
कल कैमरा लेके आते हो, मैं फिर देखते हैं।
देखते हैं।
कहाँ है मोहक? कहाँ
कल
है?
तो बहुत बोल रहा था पॉडकास्ट बनाएगा, कहाँ गया?
मरवाएंगे,
क्या हुआ मोहक? क्या हुआ?
मरवाएंगे यार ये लोग, NRA से निकलवाएंगे। सब रेस्टोरेंट वाले मेरे फ्रेंड्स हैं।
कहाँ है मोहक? कहाँ है? कल तो बहुत बोल रहा था। ये रहा मोहक, चलो आओ। कल तो बहुत बोल रहे थे ना पॉडकास्ट बनाओगे। बनाओ, बैठो यहाँ पे।
हेलो एंड वेलकम टू अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ क्यूरियो पॉडकास्ट। आज हम जहाँ हैं, दिस प्लेस इट इज़ वेरी स्पेशल फॉर मी बिकॉज इट इज़ लॉट ऑफ नॉस्टैल्जिक. I've been here when I was in school for birthday parties, you know, to eat pasta and everything. I've been here when I was in college to chill out with my friends, and now I come here for work meetings. So as this journey, you know, I've been through, Mocha has been a really special place to me. And to be sitting here today with none other than Mohak himself, it's very special. And you know, I would like to invite Mohak, like, welcome Mohak. Welcome
Thank you so
to
much,
Curio
Nilanshi.
Podcast.
Thank you for calling me. And it's amazing to sit with like-minded people always.
Yeah. I mean, you know, we like kudos to you for this Mocha and for Nandari as well. Like kudos to you. What you've done with these two places and what you're doing is just absolutely amazing.
I think it's all the love which people showed us, and we did a little bit, but लोगों ने ज़्यादा किया हमारे लिए by showing the love and all.
No, I agree. I mean, you know, the vibe of Mocha, this entire place, this is like, you know, it just feels nostalgic. So how did you started it? Like, what was the seed that came into your mind that you have to make a place like this?
I think it all started. I did my graduation and all, and I wanted to enter into F&B, but I was like planning ki what to do and what not to do. Then I went in a trip. मैं यूरोप गया था, पेरिस गया था, तो वहाँ पे आई सॉ दीज कैफ़ेज़ एकदम रोड के तरफ में रहते हैं सब कैफ़ेज़. सो आई वांटेड समथिंग लाइक दैट. हालांकि इंडिया में ऐसी जगह मिलना इम्पॉसिबल है, बट स्टिल आई ट्राइड कि ऐसा कोई जगह हो जहाँ पे रोड की तरफ पास में लोग बैठ सकें and they can enjoy the entire scene. So luckily we got the place and we started with good vibes and good food and good things what you are seeing right now. Yeah.
That's nice. And what about Nandari? How did that idea came?
So Nandri was a lockdown baby. So the idea came when everything in the entire place was shut and all those things. तब मेरे को लगा कुछ करना चाहिए, एक ऐसा चीज़ जो अभी मार्केट में इसकी ज़रूरत है. That is a South Indian cuisine having good ambience as well as non-veg cuisine in it. So I launched Nandri and people gave love for that also.
That's nice. That's very nice. I mean, yeah, I mean, this place, especially Mocha, right, since because we are here right now, I've realized that, you know, the variety of things you have in your menu, the kind of cocktails you make, like, I mean, your LITs, man, like, everybody knows your LITs are the best, like, you know, that goes without a doubt. So, everything that is there in the menu, how did you curate it? Like, you know, is there any specific story behind it? Like,
So obviously I got help from good experts and all. I was a kid when I started these things, so उतना knowledge नहीं था. But obviously learned from the experts, learned a lot. मैं अपने free time में उनसे बात किया करता था कि how to improve, how to do this and that. So learned a lot from them and I'm thankful to those people who are my seniors and all, जिनके कारण मैं आज बैठ के कुछ दिमाग लगा सकता हूँ, मेन्यू में क्रिएट कर सकता हूँ चीज़ों को. लाइक द कॉकटेल्स विच यू आर टेलिंग LIT सबका तरफ से बहुत प्यार मिलता है हमें कि LIT बहुत फेमस है, आपकी बहुत अच्छी है, बट कहीं ना कहीं मैं उससे परेशान हूँ. तो आपको हंसी आएगी उसमें, लेकिन हाँ, क्योंकि हमारी बाकी कॉकटेल्स उस चक्कर में उतनी मूव नहीं होती है क्योंकि LIT इतनी ज़्यादा मूव हो जाती है. एंड ऑब्वियसली मतलब मैं बहुत सारी जगह में LIT पिया है. आई हैड इन एन नंबर ऑफ प्लेसेस, बट आई थिंक हमारे यहाँ जो मिल रहा है वो सबसे बेस्ट है. मैं खुद बोलना चाहता हूँ उसको. तो या
no, there's no doubt in that. Even I agree that your LIT is like really very good. It gives a buzz, you know, like one LIT gives a buzz. So that's like that. Yeah. And apart from that, is there anything, any special dish in the menu or something like that that you know that you feel that is there, which you know makes it special? This place.
आई थिंक आर पास्ताज आर द बेस्ट. पास्ता मेरा खुद का फेवरेट है, वाइट सॉस पास्ता. तो आई थिंक दैट इज़ द बेस्ट फॉर मी. एंड people also love it. And our sizzlers are something जो सबसे hot selling items है हमारे यहाँ पे.
Okay.
I think sizzler is also my love. So yeah.
So, yeah. Okay. So it's about, we have spoken about the menu, the drinks and everything. Tell me something about people that come here. Tell me something about the crowd Mocha has. I mean, there's one thing about the crowd you guys have. Whenever I come here, I feel that, you guys, the kind of people that come to this place, it's very niche and, like it's very classy. Because every time, I don't see a lot of nuisance over, like, happening at Mocha. I don't know how do you manage it, but I don't feel like whenever I am here, I feel comfortable. I blend in with the people that are here. So that is one thing. So, is there anything special about the crowd that you feel?
I think again, like initially I was taught by my seniors कि जगह ऐसी होनी चाहिए जहाँ पे आप फैमिली को अट्रैक्ट कर सको. तो आई थिंक द वर्ड यू आर यूजिंग नीश क्राउड एंड ऑल, आई थिंक दैट इज बिकॉज ऑफ द फैमिली विच कम्स टू अस. People trust us, people trust our food, people trust our cocktail, people trust our service. So we try and win the people by that. Obviously ups and downs do come, but we try कि इसको cover कर सके. तो we are blessed with good families all around us. From 15 साल के बच्चों से लेकर 50 साल तक के elders सब लोग आते हैं यहाँ पे. So that is the love which we got from people.
Correct. But थोड़े से twisted customers तो आते होंगे यार. थोड़े तो आते होंगे, I'm sure. Tell me something, something spicy that has happened over here.
बहुत सारे इंसिडेंट है, कहाँ से चालू करूँ, बट हाँ मैं आपको एक या दो बताता हूँ. तो एक बार क्या हुआ था कि इनिशियल डेज की बात है, तो देयर वर टू वुमेन जो आए थे यहाँ पे एंड दे हैड देयर फूड, दे हैड देयर ड्रिंक्स एंड ऑल. एंड एट द एंड व्हाट आई सॉ वाज कि वी यूज्ड टू सर्व द बिल इन अ कप, इन अ गुड बाउल, इन अ कप. मोका वाज प्रिंटेड इन दैट.
Okay.
तो वो इतना सुंदर लगता था कि पीपल यूज्ड टू लाइक दैट. तो आई वॉज नॉट श्योर कि क्या होने वाला है, बट दोज टू लेडीज केप्ट दैट कप इन देयर बैग एंड दे वेंट. बट सिंस कुछ बोल नहीं सकते तो हम बोल नहीं पाए. सो दैट वॉज फनी. वो मेरे को हमेशा याद रहता है कि ऐसा भी हो सकता है कभी.
Yeah, I think they liked it way too much.
आई थिंक यस.
Yeah.
बट या दैट वॉज मच लाइक वेरी फनी फॉर मी.
Yeah, it is funny
Yeah.
actually. Yeah.
एंड
Anything else that comes to your mind?
And one more incident, since you told me that our LIT is famous,
Yeah.
तो मुझे पहली बार मालूम पड़ा कि LIT में दारू नहीं भी डालो तो भी लोगों को चढ़ जाती है.
What?
So I did a prank with my friend, very dear friend. तो he used to come and consume LIT every next day.
Okay.
तो मैं तो प्रैंक करते हैं थोड़ा. तो मैंने बोला यार ले तेरे लिए LIT आई है. तो आई स्टार्टेड ड्रिंकिंग दैट एंड द फन पार्ट वाज उसकी LIT में लिकर नहीं डाला था हमने, अल्कोहल नहीं डाला था. इट वॉज ऑल विथ द फ्लेवर एंड आइस इन इट. एंड ही स्टार्टेड कंज्यूमिंग दैट एंड मैंने पूछा भाई ठीक है ना, चढ़ तो रही है. भाई बहुत अच्छी चढ़ गई मुझे. सो दैट वॉज समथिंग विच वॉज फनी फॉर अस कि ऐसा भी हो सकता है. बट देन एट द एंड वी टोल्ड हिम कि भाई उसमें अल्कोहल नहीं था. तो या दैट हैपेंड.
How long did it take him to realize that there's no alcohol?
एंटायर LIT वॉज हिज जर्नी.
Oh.
पूरे LIT उसने पिया, उसके बाद उसको समझ में नहीं आया, उसके बाद हमने बताया उसको.
You had to tell him.
या
Oh.
ही वॉज लाइक कि यार आई हैव अ गुड बज़ नाउ. मैंने अच्छा गुड.
पानी में नशा है, like something like that. But maybe that's because the taste of your LIT is so good that without even the alcohol, the flavors were there. That's why he didn't realize. Yeah, I think. Yeah, it's fun, yaar. Anything else that comes to your mind? I'm sorry, I don't want to just like push you a lot.
No,
but
it's okay. Like I'll tell you one more incident. Yeah. So there's one more incident, LIT incident. There was this couple who was consuming LIT at our place. शाम से they were continuously doing that. So obviously they got high and all. उतने में notice में आया कि these guys were fighting on some small point or something, I don't know.
Okay.
Then उन लोग इतने चढ़ गए थे कि they both went outside area में बैठने के लिए. एंड वहाँ पे बंदा ट्राई कर रहा था बंदी को चल घर चल. तो शी वॉज नॉट रेडी टू गो होम. तो ही लेफ्ट हर एंड ही वेंट. उस बंदी को यहाँ छोड़ दिया. एंड दैट गर्ल वॉज सो हाई एंड थैंक्स टू माई स्टाफ ऑल द पीपल हेल्प्ड हर. they gave her water and lemon and all those things to calm her down.
Oh, that's so sweet.
And then we dropped her also, like the entire staff went and dropped her.
Oh, that's so sweet.
So yeah, that was fun.
But he left her like that.
I don't know whatever issues they have.
Yeah, of course. You can't judge. I mean, you don't know the story.
Exactly.
But still, yeah.
Yeah.
But it's like that's nice. And if I'm not wrong, I remember that Mocha used to do this thing that you guys had a women shuttle something. You guys do.
Yeah, so we started this thing pre-COVID. We used to give free shuttle service to the female clients of ours. Since it was not safe for the people to take the cab and come, especially females. So we did this thing for female. We don't used to charge anything for that.
Oh, okay.
So our shuttle used to go pick them up and यहाँ पे they used to come chill and then again drop them back to their destiny, like destination wherever they were.
Oh, that's so sweet. Do you guys still do that or?
So right now we are not doing that, but hopefully we'll be starting in some couple of days.
Oh wow, that's nice. That's very nice. I mean, especially with whatever is happening in the world.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That would be a safe thing.
Correct.
Yeah.
It's a big help. Trust me. Like from all the women in the world, I'm saying it's a big help. Thank you. So yeah, it's like that. Nice, yeah. Okay, so tell me something about vibe of Mocha, vibe of this place. I mean, I can see like looking around right now, I can see, I mean, I love the vibe to be very honest. This is one of my favorite places in Indore. Just I'm being a little partial, but little biased, but that's true. So how do you maintain this vibe? What is your vision behind it? How do you do that?
I think जगह कोई भी हो वाइब लोगों से बनती है, आप लोगों से बनती है, जितने भी हमारे यहाँ रेगुलर कस्टमर्स आते हैं उनसे बनती है. So 80% तो उनका कंट्रीब्यूशन है वाइब को मैनेज करने के लिए. 20% हम लोग ट्राई करते हैं कि जैसा इंटीरियर करे हैं और चीज़ों को हम कैसे अच्छे वे में प्रेजेंट कर पाए या फिर टू मेक द प्लेस मोर होमली फॉर देम.
Yeah.
आई थिंक पीपल शुड कॉल इट एज सेकेंड होम. दैट इज़ आवर विजन. सो या
That's very nice. That's very nice.
So I wanted this place not to be that party place because शहर में या फिर कहीं पे भी कल्चर पार्टीज़ का ज़्यादा चलता है जो कि मुझे लगता नहीं कि दैट इज़ अ लॉन्ग टर्म कंसेप्ट. आई थिंक द प्लेस शुड बी मोर ऑफ लाइक अ फैमिली ओरिएंटेड प्लेस.
Okay.
Family comes, family people are loyal. They come, they see the taste, they see the service, not that music or that dhoom dharaka which happens in other places.
Yeah.
So that is our vision for this place. It should be a place जहाँ पे बैठ के लोग दो लोग बात कर पाएं. Come for the dates, come for the family reunions or like friends reunion, like whatever.
Yeah, I think you've managed it beautifully because that is what this place is right now. You
Yeah.
you can come for dates, you can just come, you can chit chat with your friends and also work. This is a very good place to just bring your laptop and like
And
sit
sit,
and
yeah.
finish your work.
Agree,
That's also
agree.
very nice. Yeah, so I think you're managing it well. So tell me something about Nandari. Like, what exactly is the concept behind Nandari?
So as I told you, Nandri was a lockdown baby. The love which we got for Nandri was more than Mocha. Like when we started Mocha, it took time for us to be in the market, but Nandri showed us results very fast. So Nandri gave us the learning lesson or the things which we learned from the experts and all, and we launched that brand. So the vision behind that brand is I saw South Indian places serving good food but not having good ambience. I saw South Indian places having good ambience but not serving good food. So I wanted to fill this gap.
Yeah.
So the gap which I filled was with the good ambience and good food, and that too by introducing non-veg South Indian cuisine in that. So we have good non-veg thalis, we have good non-veg dosas like chicken keema dosa, mutton keema dosa. People love that. And obviously vegetarian options in South Indian is a common thing which we also have. And this is the entire thing for Nandri. And we would be celebrating once a year. We did this Onam Sadhya thing.
Okay.
So it comes in September, and we serve people in a big banana leaf,
Oh, wow.
serving 28 varieties of things.
Oh, nice.
So it's all veg, and people sit नीचे बैठाते हैं हम लोगों को, and they love it. Like that vibe is something which Nandri created.
Yeah, it sounds like an experience, sir. I mean, like with niche bed ke that banana leaf you're saying, I am like, it sounds like an experience to witness.
That is amazing, yeah.
Yeah, nice. But why South Indian? Like, is there any specific reason you want to go ahead with South Indian only?
I think South Indian market in tier 2 city is ignored entirely.
Okay.
So that gap, I can see, my vision says that gap is something where I can enter. So that is why I chose South Indian cuisine, and that too, South Indian में non-veg serve करना, veg के अलावा भी. People gets shocked कि यार non-veg कैसे मिल सकता है? Tier 2 में people don't know about that. Obviously Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, people know कि हाँ South Indian में non-veg मिलता है, but यहाँ पे लोगों को नहीं मालूम. So that's a good gap which we filled, and now we are expanding with time in different cities. So yeah, let's see how long it goes.
Like that would.
Yeah.
So Mohak, I have realized that recently you yourself, have become this social media savvy person. You're making reels and everything. Every second day I see a reel from Mohak. Like he's sitting, he's giving some gyan, he's talking about topics, and I really like that. It's like interesting. So like, how, I really like this. Where did this idea came from?
I think that idea came from my people around, like the people who are around me. They inspired me कि यार start something, start whatever you are practicing. You should go and tell it to the world कि what you are doing, whatever errors you are doing, go and explain it to the people. People might like the work. So I was not sure. I was like यार पता नहीं करना चाहिए कि नहीं करना चाहिए. मैं टाल रहा था चीज़ों को. मैं 2 महीने 3 महीने टालता गया. फिर मैं चलो ठीक है करके देखते हैं.
Yeah.
एंड देन आई गॉट द लव विच आई वाज नॉट एक्सपेक्टेड कि लोग पसंद करेंगे. एंड थिंग्स स्टार्टेड.
So you're saying that thanks to Mohak Army it happened. I mean, for those who don't know, Mohak has something called Mohak Army. And those are the people, who love and support him. And yeah, so Mohak Army.
आई डोंट नो व्हाट दिस टर्म आर्मी मैं किसके लिए यूज़ करूँ. क्या जो लोग मेरे आते हैं उनके प्यार के लिए यूज़ करूँ, या फिर जो मेरे इंस्टाग्राम में फॉलो करते हैं मैं उनके लिए यूज़ करूँ, या फिर द पीपल हु आर वर्किंग फॉर मी इन माई डिफरेंट आउटलेट्स मैं उनके लिए यूज़ करूँ. सो एवरी वन इज़ माई आर्मी आई थिंक. एंड थ्रू देयर लव हम लोग कुछ कर पाते हैं, नहीं तो फिर नहीं हो सकता था.
Yeah, I agree.
तो
So, so your army consists of, you're saying that you're the people who are around you, like your staff and your people who follow you and people who come to the outlet, everyone.
एवरीवन. आई थिंक दैट इज द लव जिसके कारण मैं अगर आर्मी टर्म यूज़ करना चाहता हूँ तो उनके लिए करना चाहता हूँ मैं फिर.
That's very sweet.
Yeah.
That's very sweet. Yeah. So I mean, your staff is very courteous. I mean, every time I come, right from when I enter, they have this big smiles and they're very welcoming and everything. So I really like, they're very courteous. They make you feel at home. Like that is very nice.
I think that is the only thing which we can do from our end, just to give the smile, nothing else. क्योंकि हमें नहीं मालूम रहता कि सामने वाले जो भी आ रहे हैं, like whatever guests are coming, कोई टेंशन में होगा, कोई किसी जॉब के टेंशन में होगा, कोई कुछ पैसे के टेंशन में होगा. तो द लीस्ट वी कैन डू इज टू गिव देम द स्माइल विच दे डिजर्व.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's why I think you like my army.
That's very sweet. That's very sweet. There's this one thing about Mocha that you come here once and there's no option that you won't come here twice. अगर आप एक बार आए हो तो बार आप आओगे ही आओगे, because कुछ तो जादू है इस जगह में. But I don't know how you do that, but it is something. I remember जब मैं यहाँ पहली बार आई थी and then उसके बाद मुझे नहीं याद मैं कितनी बार आई हूँ, because it's like I keep coming and I've seen faces that are around and I know a lot of friends who come here on regular basis. So how do you retain your customers? How do you make sure that the customers keep coming here again and again?
I think the best way which we follow, again, got this knowledge from my seniors and all, which I want to pass to the entire world, is focus on service and good food. That is the key to any place. So yeah, we do that. We try and give our best to the customers, like the best food we can give, the best cocktail we can give, the best mocktail we can give. We try and do that, and that creates an impact in the market.
Yeah.
You can see the places जहाँ पार्टीज होती है, ये होता है, पीपल कम पीपल गो, आते हैं जिस दिन अच्छा आर्टिस्ट रहेगा उस दिन आएंगे, या फिर जिस दिन अच्छा क्राउड रहेगा उस दिन आएंगे. बट आई थिंक योर फूड शुड बी द स्टार. So that is the only key which I practice in Nandri as well and in Mocha also, to serve the good food and good service, and obviously ambience plays a good role as well.
Yeah.
So that is a key to retain my customers. In that way, like customers को retain करने में हमें आसानी होती है.
Correct. Also, I love your marketing game. I mean, the kind of offers that you come up with, the kind of buzz you create in the market with a lot of activities that you do. I am a really big fan of that. And I remember I've discussed it with being a marketing person myself. I have an eye for these things. Whoever is doing something, I always keep on looking at ye kar rahe hain, ye kar rahe hain, because a lot of ideas come to my mind also. And then looking at somebody doing those things that it makes me feel very good. That because let's accept the fact that not everybody in the industry understands marketing. When you pitch ideas to them and things like that, you have to make them see a vision. But when I see you with the same vision, I can feel that you have that marketing akida inside you. So that's why the offers that you come up with and everything is so nice. So I just want to know, like, what kind of offers and how do you curate your offers?
I think ये पूरा गेम क्रिएटिविटी का है. क्रिएटिविटी है किसी के अंदर तो वो शायद लाएगा, और नहीं है तो शायद नहीं लाएगा. and I've seen a pattern in the market कि जब तक कोई कर नहीं लेता तब तक लोग उसको करते नहीं है, and then people start copying that.
Yeah.
बट मेरा गेम ऐसा नहीं है. आई डोंट सपोर्ट दैट गेम. आई डोंट कॉपी द ऑफर्स. आई डोंट कॉपी द थिंग्स विच आर हैपनिंग इन द मार्केट. आई वुड सेट द ट्रेंड. यू कैन टर्म इट एज अ ट्रेंड सेटर. सो दैट्स द गेम. या सो देयर आर फ्यू ऑफर्स विच वी रैन. तो अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स आया उसका. पीपल गेव द लव एंड दैट केम आउट टू बी अ पायनियर इन मार्केटिंग वाला जो आप बता रहे हैं मुझे.
Correct.
So the first offer which we ran was, I remember during COVID, we faced a lot of challenges, like anything. We had to keep staff with us. Staff घर में नहीं जा सकता था, तो हमें ना accommodation, खाना सब हमें तरफ से देना पड़ता था. That's a normal thing. But this business is almost like a white elephant. Business चल नहीं रहा है, rent चल रहा है, खर्चे उतने ही चल रहे हैं, और आउटकम कुछ आ नहीं रहा है उससे. तो दैट वाज अ टफ टाइम विच वी सॉ. देन कुछ मंथ्स बाद आफ्टर दिस कोविड का थोड़ा बहुत चीज़ें ठीक होने लगी, तो एक रूल आया कि कुछ 5-6 घंटे के लिए हम लोग टेक अवे के लिए सिर्फ खोल सकते हैं रेस्टोरेंट को.
Okay.
तो आई वाज लाइक यार टेक अवे में रेस्टोरेंट खुलेगा, चलो ठीक है, एटलीस्ट स्टाफ बिजी रहेगा, नेगेटिव थॉट्स नहीं आएंगे स्टाफ को भी, और हम लोग भी थोड़ा बिजी रहेंगे, इनकम आने का शायद कुछ सोर्स हो सकता है. तो ठीक है, वी गॉट ऑन बोर्ड. वी स्टार्टेड द प्लेस थ्रू डिलीवरी बिकॉज ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट के नॉर्म्स. तो 6 घंटे तक अलाउ था हमें. तो एक दिन बीता, नो रिस्पॉन्स. 2 दिन बीता, नो रिस्पॉन्स, क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली लोग डरे हुए थे. एंड प्लस ऑनलाइन मार्केट में स्ट्रगल करना अचानक से कोविड के बाद, इतने क्राउडेड मार्केट में, इज़ अ टफ गेम. तो एक दिन आई स्टार्ट विथ माई पीपल. आई वॉज लाइक यार क्यों नहीं आ रहा रिस्पॉन्स. तो सुना मैंने, तो मैंने लेट्स रन एन ऑफर. तो बोले सर क्या ऑफर बताइए, कैसे लोग आएंगे, आ ही नहीं सकते लोग. मैंने ठीक है चलो लेट्स रन एन ऑफर. जितने भी लोग आ रहे हैं, जो भी कार से आ रहे हैं, उनकी कार में 4 डिजिट रहते हैं, 1 2 3 4.
Correct.
So last 2 digits would be the discount which they will get if they come and take the things from us.
Oh.
For example, if your car number is 1250, so 50% will be a discount.
Oh wow.
If your car number is 99999,
99%
99% discount.
99%
99%, yeah.
discount.
So people came, लोगों की लाइन लग गई थी यहाँ पर.
Of course.
एंड दैट क्रिएटेड अ बज इन द मार्केट कि ये कैसे हो सकता है, ऐसे पॉसिबल ही नहीं है, ये कौन है, ये पागल है, ये कैसे काम कर रहा है, लाइक वट एवर थिंग्स. बट दैट क्रिएटेड एन इम्पैक्ट इन अस. हम लोग इतनी अच्छी सेल्स होना चालू हो गई अचानक से टेकअप में, अचानक से चीज़ें हमारे हाथ में वापस आना चालू हो गई कि इट गेव अस द एनर्जी विच वी वॉन्ट.
Correct.
सो दैट आइडिया केम आउट टू बी वेरी गुड. एंड देन आई सॉ पीपल कॉपिंग दैट. तो ठीक है, देयर इज नो हार्म इन कॉपिंग, बट सबका अपना अपना स्टाइल है काम करने का. सो दैट वॉज वन ऑफर विच आई रन. सेकेंड वॉज इंदौर में जब हमने चालू किया था, तो इंदौर में कल्चर था कि ओनली वीकेंड्स में क्राउड आता है, वीकेंड्स में अच्छी सेल होती है.
Correct. Correct.
सो आई वॉज नॉट कन्विंस विद दिस आइडिया. आई वॉज लाइक यार ऐसा क्यों कि वीकडेज में हम क्यों नहीं सेल कर सकते. सो देन वी केम आउट विद दिस आइडिया ऑफ वेंसडे. आई थॉट कि वेंसडे पे फोकस करते हैं और वेंसडे की सेल बढ़ाते हैं. तो कैसे करें. तो आई रिसर्च इन द मार्केट. तो देयर आर फ्यू ऑफर्स रनिंग इन द इंडस्ट्री लेडीज़ के लिए, लाइक टू गिव फ्री शॉर्ट्स और समथिंग.
Yeah, yeah.
या तो आई वॉज लाइक कि सेम कॉपी तो नहीं करेंगे, कुछ नया करते हैं. सो देन आई इंट्रोड्यूस्ड वाइन एट ₹9. सो दैट वॉज अ वेंसडे आइडिया कि वाइन एट ₹9 ओनली फॉर लेडीज.
Yeah, I remember that way.
Yeah.
It was very nice idea.
एंड द फन पार्ट वॉज वी फोर्स्ड फीमेल्स टू पे थ्रू कॉइन्स.
Oh.
एकदम छुट्टे, मतलब छुट्टा पैसा.
Correct. Correct.
तो दैट क्रिएटेड अ फन इन द ऑफर कि यार हमें छोटे पैसे भी लेके जाने पड़ेंगे. सो दैट वाज अ टॉक ऑफ द टाउन. एंड देन Wednesday got hit and we got the sales and things started.
Nice.
These are the few ideas, and there are many more ideas which I think we need to sit for 1 more hour to discuss those.
Another entire podcast can be made, on your ideas and your idea of marketing, I think. Yeah. Because I really like the way you market this place. It's
Thank you so
really amazing. So I think that's it for today.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for joining us
Thank you
today.
so much for calling me. I would love to come again. Let me know.
Definitely. Let's do one more. Let's do one with the entire marketing thing, your marketing thing. We will discuss marketing ideas and maybe we can come up with something amazing which we'll do.
For sure.
Something
for
like
sure.
that.
Looking forward for that.
Yeah. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Please hit the bell icon.
Follow me as well.
Yeah, please follow Mohak as well. Follow Mocha, follow Curio, follow Nandri. Yeah, so your Mohak's Insta ID,
It's Mohak Dubey, MOHAKDUBEY.
And Curio, to it's QRIO.in. Please follow us, like us, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.
So guys, I am cameraman, and this is my friend Mohak, and please follow Mohak Army and do press the bell icon, guys.